Dr. Devyarani.
Speaker, sir, I rise to bring to the attention of the House the rise in the alarming number of vehicular accidents caused by drunken driving, most commonly by domestic tourists, as their private vehicles or self-driven rental cars, endangering the lives of people in the state of Goa. The tourists opt to rent vehicles as it's economically viable more than the taxi service. Tourists are not familiar with roads in Goa, which are narrow and with light turns, and they're different from the city roads, and they're enjoying their vacation as it's observed that they consume alcohol and drive and often flee the state when an accident occurs before they can be held accountable by law. So it's the duty of the state to prioritize safety and protect the lives of the people by strictly implementing road safety measures. Rental companies should be made accountable for traffic violations and offences, including drunken driving, as there should be an agreement between them to strictly follow guidelines by signing a declaration to cover a brief on safety and local traffic rules. And there should be a clause in case of accident to cover damages, suspension and cancellation of license in case of major accidents. The current checks, Nakabandi, carried out by the police are good practices but are not yielding the desired results, as most of these Nakabandis are on weekends and at predictable locations. Strict enforcement of breath analyzer tests by police at every Nakabandi and checkpoint must be made mandatory. For effective detection of drunken driving at all times. Locations of Nakabandi should be changed regularly by shifting them to strategic point for better effectiveness. Permanent checkpoints should be established at locations identified through the overlap of areas where alcohol is easily available, high movement of rental vehicles are seen, and accident-prone zones. There's a need to establish a dedicated helpline integrated with the police control room, as this will enable quick reporting of violation and reduce police response time for swift action. AI-powered surveillance cameras may be installed on major roads, as this will help the police to detect suspicious behavior, identify traffic violations, and read number plates even at night. Enforce accountability on rental agencies by way of substantial fine for rental vehicles to unlicensed drivers. The awareness should be created and safety briefing should be organized for tourists renting vehicles. Promotes road safety through digital media and other channels, and encourage locals to report reckless driving and reward them. Halit दोन दीस पयली जे दिवजा सर्कलात जाले, this is just one of the examples. जे कितें चालूच आसा reckless driving. It is more because of more than the road issues. It is because drinking and driving. This is the main thing. So I think the police department, transport department, and tourism department collectively should come out with some safety measures and rules and regulations strictly to prevent this from happening going forward. Thank you.
Manya Amdar Viresh Burka.
As suggested, we have taken up, and some of the points which perhaps need more cooperation with other departments, we will bring it up in the next Road Safety Council meeting, all these points, and see where it can be smoothened so that there are less accidents. Accidents are a little bit, they have come down happening because of the various measures initiated. Other measures we will initiate.